Can a single jellyfish really kill a human? Today we're going to look at the potentially deadly box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are mostly pale blue and transparent, which makes them almost invisible in the water, and they're named after their cube-shaped bell. Their transparency allows them to evade predators and capture prey with greater efficiency. Their bell can grow to be quite large, sometimes reaching up to 30 centimetres in diameter. One of the most intriguing aspects of box jellyfish anatomy is their sophisticated visual system. They have 24 eyes grouped in clusters of 6, located at the base of their tentacles or around the edges of their bell, with each cluster including a pair of eyes with a sophisticated lens, retina, iris, and cornea. These eyes are capable of detecting light and dark, enabling the box jellyfish to discern various environmental cues, including the presence of potential prey or predators. However, without a central nervous system, scientists are unsure of how they process what they see. Box jellyfish have a relatively simple digestive system centered around a gastrovascular cavity. This cavity serves both as the digestive chamber and the circulatory system, enabling the distribution of nutrients and the elimination of waste products. The nervous system of the box jellyfish consists of a nerve net which is distributed throughout their body, allowing for rudimentary sensory perception. They possess a nerve ring at the base of the bell, which coordinates the pulsating movements of the bell and the firing of their nematocysts. But their anatomy doesn't stop there. Let's talk about those long, delicate tentacles. Up to 15 tentacles grow from each corner of the jellyfish's bell, and each tentacle can reach up to 10 feet in length. Each tentacle is covered in nearly 5,000 specialised stinging cells called nematocysts. These nematocysts are armed with tiny, harpoon-like structures filled with venom. When a box jellyfish encounters prey or a potential threat, these harpoons are fired, injecting venom into the target. The venom is a potent cocktail of toxins that can immobilize or kill small fish and other prey. Let's take a closer look at box jellyfish venom. Box jellyfish are equipped with one of the most potent venoms in the animal kingdom. Their venom is a complex mixture of proteins and toxins, including enzymes and peptides. The exact composition can vary among different species of box jellyfish, as there are 27 lesser-known species. While box jellyfish are found in warm coastal waters around the world, the lethal varieties are found primarily in the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia. This includes the Australian box jellyfish, or Chironex fleckari, considered the most venomous marine animal in the world. This species of the box jellyfish is the largest, with body sizes reaching up to 1 foot in diameter and thick tentacles of up to 10 feet long. The venom is stored within the specialised cells called nematocysts, which are located on the tentacles. When the tentacles come into contact with a potential threat, such as prey or a human, the nematocysts discharge their venom-filmed harpoon-like structures, injecting the toxins into the victim. The development of their powerful venom was partially to ensure the protection of their fragile tentacles when their prey is frantically trying to escape. A box jellyfish sting is intensely painful and can lead to immediate discomfort, paralysis, cardiac arrest, or even death. The pain is often described as burning or stinging and can be excruciating. The sting from a box jellyfish can immobilise humans before they even attempt to get out of the water. The area of skin that comes into contact with the tentacles may develop redness, welts, and blistering. In some cases, the skin can be severely irritated and even show signs of tissue death. Scarring is highly likely if an individual is fortunate enough to survive a box jellyfish sting. Beyond the local effects, some individuals may experience systemic symptoms. These can include nausea, vomiting, muscle cramps, and weakness. In severe cases, a box jellyfish sting can lead to cardiac and respiratory distress. It can affect heart function and, in rare instances, result in heart failure or difficulty in breathing. It is essential to seek immediate medical attention if you or anyone you're with comes into contact with a box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are primarily inhabitants of the warm coastal waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, including the waters around Australia, the Philippines, Thailand and Indonesia. The majority of box jellyfish favour shallow waters. They love to swim in estuaries and coastal waters. In coastal habitats, box jellyfish travel equally during the day and night. However, within estuaries, they have been found to travel further distances at night compared to during the day. The venomous Australian box jellyfish species is known to inhabit freshwater habitats as well as creek and mangrove outlets. Among jellyfish species, box jellyfish are quite advanced. These jellies have developed the ability to move themselves along rather than just drift along with the ocean currents. They can move at up to 4 knots through the water, which roughly translates as around 4.5 miles per hour. Their impressive navigation skills, which they possess due to their cluster of multiple eyes, help them avoid obstacles and other predatory species. Box jellies are mostly active during the day and tend to stay closer to the surface where sunlight penetrates the water. At night, they tend to descend to deeper waters. Now, moving on to their diet. Box jellyfish are carnivores and their venomous tentacles are used to capture prey. They primarily feed on small fish and plankton that happen to swim into their tentacles. They don't have a centralised digestive system. Instead, they rely on a simple gastrovascular cavity to digest their food. Once captured, their tentacles transport the prey to this cavity where it's broken down and absorbed. Although box jellyfish are known for their dangerous venom, they do have some threats themselves. Some species of sea turtles are immune to their stings due to their thick shells and skin, and have been known to eat box jellyfish. Nevertheless, it has been noted that box jellyfish are capable of stinging sea turtles' eyes. Additionally, some species of crab, such as the blue swimmer crab, which also possess their rock-solid shells that can protect them from the box jellyfish sting, are known to consume box jellyfish. A few species of fish, such as the batfish and butterfish, have also been known to prey on box jellies. Despite the dangers these jellyfish pose to humans, humans are actually the biggest threat to box jellyfish due to entangling them in fishing nets and disrupting their habitats. Box jellyfish are not currently listed as a species of interest of concern by the IUCN. However, as with all marine life, they play a vital role in the ecosystem and their well-being is intertwined with the health of our oceans. Let's talk about reproduction. Box jellyfish have a unique life cycle. They start as tiny polyps attached to submerged objects on the sea floor. These polyps eventually develop into free-swimming medusae, the familiar jellyfish form. During the breeding season, they release sperm and eggs into the water where fertilization occurs. The fertilized eggs develop into planular larvae, which later settle and transform into polyps, completing the cycle. If you would like to learn more about the complex jellyfish reproductive cycle, we have covered it in detail in our Jellyfish in the UK video. Box jellyfish are a remarkable and mysterious part of our oceanic ecosystems. They possess a fascinating anatomy, potent venom, and some unique behaviours. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, come and say hi on Instagram at DiscoverWildOfficial.